Good morning. From above, Earth appears peaceful, a blue marble in space. But look closer and you'll spot tiny purposeful specs drones or UAVs. These advanced machines fly for hours, sometimes days, silently watching and protecting. Today we'll explore two of the world's most fascinating drones: China's TB-001 Scorpion and America's MQ-9B Sky Guardian. They're silent guardians, unmanned, relentless, and crucial to modern security. Comparing them is like pitting two elite athletes from rival teams, each with unique strengths and missions. The TB-001, with its distinctive twin tail, hails from China. The MQ-9B, a powerhouse of technology, comes from the US. By understanding these drones, we glimpse the future of technology and global security. They operate where the sky meets space, bridging the ground and the unknown above. Their invisible flight paths tell stories of politics, defense, and the human urge to explore, using machines as our eyes. In this journey, we'll uncover what makes each drone special, their design, performance, and real-world missions. We'll see why engine choices matter, and how these machines are shaping the world's security landscape. Join me as we dive into the world of these incredible flying machines. This is a story of technology, power, and the future, seen from above. Let's begin with China's TB-001, the twin-tailed Scorpion. Built by Sichuan Tengdan, its twin-tail and dual-engine design stand out immediately. Two engines mean extra reliability. If one fails, the other keeps it flying, perfect for long, risky missions. The TB-001 is a male drone medium-altitude long endurance. It can fly for 35 hours and cover up to 6,000 kilometers, day and night, over land or sea. With a payload over 1,000 kilograms, it carries cameras, sensors, or weapons, making it highly versatile. In April 2023, a TB-001 circled Taiwan, a bold demonstration of range and capability, signaling China's expanding reach. This mission wasn't just technical, it was a message to the world about China's growing power. The TB-001 is also entering the global market. Morocco recently purchased some, showing its appeal beyond China. Its twin-engine reliability and proven performance make it a strong contender for countries seeking advanced drones. The Scorpion marks a new era. Advanced drone tech is spreading, reshaping international security. It's not just a Chinese asset, it's a global player. The TB-001 is changing the rules of the drone game. Now meet the American MQ-9B Sky Guardian. The latest in the MQ-9 Reaper family, it's a giant of the skies. Single engine but unmatched in performance. The Sky Guardian flies higher and longer than most, with over 40 hours of endurance and a range exceeding 11,000 kilometers. It soars above 12,000 meters, higher than commercial jets, making it hard to spot or target. Its payload is massive, over 2,000 kilograms of sensors and weapons. Advanced tech sets it apart. A detect and avoid system lets it safely share airspace with civilian planes. This means the MQ-9B isn't just for military use. It can help in disaster response, border patrol, and more. Trusted by the US and allies, it's a backbone for surveillance and precision strikes, supporting troops and gathering vital intelligence. Its long loiter time allows for days of persistent watch, waiting for the perfect moment to act. The MQ-9B's reliability and versatility make it a global standard for high-altitude long-endurance drones. It's not just a weapon, it's a multi-mission platform. The Sky Guardian is the pinnacle of American drone innovation. It sets the bar for what drones can achieve. Side by side, the TB-001 Scorpion and MQ-9B Sky Guardian reveal two philosophies in drone design. The MQ-9B dominates in raw stats, longer endurance, greater range, and higher altitude. Its 40-plus hours in the air and 11,000-kilometer range outclass the Scorpion's 35 hours and 6,000 kilometers. The Sky Guardian's payload, over 2,000 kilograms, doubles the Scorpion's, allowing for more sensors and weapons. But the TB-001's twin engines offer a crucial safety net. If one fails, the mission can still continue. This redundancy is vital for risky, long-range missions over oceans or hostile terrain. Single-engine drones like the MQ-9B are cheaper and simpler, but an engine failure means losing the aircraft. Twin engines cost more upfront, but can save money and missions over time. The choice reflects national priorities, resilience and reliability versus maximum performance. For countries valuing safety and mission assurance, the TB-001 is compelling. For those seeking unmatched range and payload, the MQ-9B leads. Both are titans, each excelling in its own way. Drone flights are more than technical feats. They're statements of power. The TB-001's flight around Taiwan in 2023 was a public show of China's reach, redrawing security lines in the region. It signaled to neighbors and rivals that China's surveillance and influence now extend further than ever. For Taiwan, Japan, and the US, it was a wake-up call, a new challenge in the Pacific. Meanwhile, the MQ-9B has shaped American and allied operations worldwide, providing persistent surveillance and precision strikes. Its long endurance enables intelligence gathering and protection of ground forces, while minimizing civilian risk. Beyond combat, the MQ-9B aids in disaster response, border security, and environmental monitoring. Both drones are tools of policy, shaping strategy, security, and even humanitarian missions. Imagine viewing Earth from orbit. No borders, just a connected world. With a powerful lens, you might glimpse the TB-001 or MQ-9B gliding far below, tracing deliberate paths. Their movements reveal patterns, surveillance, strategy, and tension mapped across continents and seas. From space, these drones are like the hands of a clock, measuring the pulse of global security. The Scorpion's twin engines symbolize resilience, the Sky Guardian's altitude, technological mastery. They're two species, evolved for the same sky, each reflecting its nation's approach to power and exploration. As a space explorer, I see these drones as precursors to future planetary explorers, autonomous, reliable, and far from home. Lessons from their flights, navigation, communication, endurance, will guide us to Mars and beyond. They're stepping stones, expanding humanity's reach through machines. These drones are pioneers of our upper atmosphere. Comparing the TB-001 and MQ-9B reveals more than just technology. It's a lesson in global change. The Scorpion's twin engines show a focus on reliability. The Sky Guardian's performance, a drive for technological edge. Neither is best in every scenario. Their value depends on mission and strategy. Advanced drones are no longer exclusive to a few nations. Their spread is reshaping global security. More countries can now see and act at a distance, shifting the balance of power. The sky is crowded with silent watchers, demanding new thinking in diplomacy and defense. These drones remind us of human ingenuity and the responsibility that comes with such power. Technology that saves lives can also be used in conflict. How we use it matters. Studying these machines, we see our ambitions and fears reflected in the sky. The TB-001 and MQ-9B are symbols of our era, challenging us to build a secure, peaceful future. As we reach for the stars, the lessons from these guardians will guide us forward.